Make any wish come true in your life in 28 days. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today we're talking about manifesting or making any wish come true within 28 days. I'm going to share with you a secret technique that I've used on and off for years. It's powerful, it's easy to do, and it really works. So, high flyers, what we're going to do is we're going to manifest using the energies of the universes. I said universes, plural. We're going to use the energy of the universes. First off, let me explain something to you. We don't manifest with our conscious mind. We manifest with our subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential. Your subconscious mind is more powerful beyond anything you can imagine or know. It's absolutely incredibly powerful. Now, this isn't superstition or hocus pocus. This is real manifesting. And here's the secret. Because your mind connects to the infinite field of potential, what is in your mind, what is the dominant thought of your mind is what you will likely bring into your life. As Neville Goddard says, what you think about at night is what you will manifest in the morning. So think about this. Your mind is the connecting link to the infinite field or fields, plural, of potential. Now, we believe, and my personal experience on my own journey proves to me that there are multiple quantum timelines. And on one timeline, I'm driving a taxi. On another timeline, I'm sipping a Mai Tai in my yacht. So there are a variety of timelines. What I'd like you to do, high flyers, is I want you to think about your wish, what you desire. You see, the universe is like a giant candy store, and there's no price for any piece of candy. All you have to do is enter and make a wish. Simply say, I want this piece of candy, and it's yours. But you have to believe it, and you have to know it. Now, the next part of this formula is very important. I'm going to emphasize this, and I really want you to take note of this. You are one thought away from merging your current situation, no matter how bad it is, no matter how desperate it is, your current situation with your wish. You're one thought away from merging a life of desperation, loneliness, sadness, pain, poverty, with prosperity, abundance, love, health, healing, happiness, joy, excitement, passion, and everything else that you desire. You're one thought away. What is that thought? What is it that you deeply desire? What is the wish? You're standing over the infinite wishing well of the universes. What are you going to wish for? Because that one thought, that wish, is more valuable than all the jewels you own or will ever own. It's more valuable than all the cars you own or houses you own. That thought can create a whole new world for you. It can literally give you your wish. It is the proverbial coin in the wishing well. But it's special. It's unique. If your thought is strong enough, if it is focused enough, if you know specifically what you desire, if you really desire it, you're not just throwing out a number. I want $10 million. That's not a wish. That's just throwing out a number. What do you really wish for? Get away from money. Money's okay. But when you think of money, think of what you are going to do with that money. And think of one thing. Focus on one thing. I'm going to buy a new house and I'm going to pay for it clear. I'm going to buy a new car and I'm going to pay for it up front. Think about one thought. So if you're thinking about money, think about what that money is going to do. Now, understand if that thought is so valuable, if it's so precious that it literally, by thinking about it over and over and over again for 28 days, it can literally merge one timeline with another, one universe with another. You can literally draw in the timeline that you desire. You're literally drawing in the wish that you are making. It's incredible. But you have to protect the thought. And this is where a lot of people, most people, lose their wish. They do not protect their thought. Now, that one thought can take you from being deeply in debt to a multimillionaire. One thought. One thought. How much protection are you willing to give that thought? At least for 28 days. At least for 28 days. Are you willing to protect that thought for 28 days? Because if you're willing to protect that thought for 28 days and make it the center of your heart, the center of your heart, the center of your passion, if you're willing to do that, your wish will come true because you've literally pulled in another timeline into your energy field and you've merged the timeline of your desire with the timeline that you're currently living, and you're shifting your life to a whole new timeline. It's absolutely incredible. Now, I have a number of goals, and I have a book where I have my goals and I have them written down. But I have one wish that I make every 28 days. And I put it usually on the back. I usually tape it right there. You can see it written there on the back of my pendant. Now, the reason I do that, the reason I tape it on the back of my pendant is because I want it right over my heart. I'm going to protect this wish with my life. I'm saying to the universe, this thought, this wish is so valuable to me, I am protecting it with my very heart. That every beat of my heart is charging. You notice it's right over my heart. Every beat of my heart is charging this wish. It's charging this thought. It's giving it life. It's giving it energy. And it becomes the dominant thought on my mind for 28 days. Now, if you don't like to wear pendants like this or medals, you can get a little red pouch like this. I think they sell them on Amazon. And I've had a lot of people have incredible luck with this. They take the pouch and they write out the thought, or they write out the intention or the wish, and they put it in the little pouch. And then you can pull these pouches like so, and you can get a string and you can wear it underneath your shirt. So you can do that. And again, it's right over your heart. I think it's absolutely critical that whatever method you use, you put it right over your heart and charge it with every beat. And I always begin, now it's not necessary, but I always begin my work on a new moon, because a new moon indicates a new energy, a new cycle. Okay? And because this is a wish and I'm breaking state with my old cycle, I want to start on a new moon. I want to claim my wish by the full moon. Now, that's only 2 weeks. That's 14 days. That's my intention. But I'm willing to be patient until the next new moon. Okay? Do you see what I'm saying? In other words, just because we say it's 28 days, it may come sooner. And most of the time, I would say about 75% of the time, whatever I wish for, whatever I put here, is going to manifest within 14 days by the full moon. But, may take a little bit longer. It just depends on me. Now, remember, I'm guarding my thoughts. I'm guarding this with my life because I know that this one thought is more valuable than anything I own. Anything I own. This one thought is more valuable. So I guard it. And anytime a negative thought comes into my mind, I challenge that negative thought. I meet that negative thought on the field of battle and I challenge it. And I call that negative thought a liar. You are a liar. You are not speaking the truth. And I challenge that negative thought because my job is to protect this one precious wish, this one precious positive thought with all my heart and soul. And after I have challenged it, then I replace it with three positive images or thoughts or affirmations in my mind. Empower your thoughts through your heart center. Begin on the new moon, end on the new moon, but expect the miracle by the full moon. And you can kind of recharge it on the full moon too as well. You can kind of, if you want to just spend the evening meditating on it, meditating on your wish, that's fine too. This is a powerful method. You're pulling in a whole nother universe into your life. You're taking a wish, a thought, and you're changing your entire reality. Oh yeah, you have the power to soar like a beautiful eagle, to have the life that you desire. There's nothing stopping you now. There's no wall that is tall enough. You are the power. Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.